Okay, so um, good evening, everyone, chess enthusiasts, and today we are going to learn how this knight moves. So, the knight moves in a weird L shape, not like the rooks or the bishops. It's very different from them. Okay, as you can see here, this is an L, right? This is an L shape. So the knight moves like this, like one, two, and turn. It's like we can say 2.5 basically. And let's put it back. One, no, one, two, turn, and one, two, turn. I'll highlight it so you don't get confused. This one to turn, this one to turn, um, this one to turn, this one, and it also moves backward. So, yep. And these are the squares where the knight can move. And wait, have you noticed that uh, the squares, sorry, the squares that I've highlighted here, they are all of a different color of the square that the knight is in. I hope you understand. What I mean exactly is the knight is on a different colored square. That is the white square, light square. And the squares the knight controls is on a dark square. So uh, you can say that the knight moves in a the knight always like changes colors. It moves in a different color square every turn. So let's say I move here, then again it controls all of these squares, which is again the light squares. So you can see where it's going. Okay, here they are all dark squares. Okay, I hope you got that. So uh, in summary, we can say that the knight moves in an L shape, and some uh, some chess masters get a bit weird. They say like this is one and this is one and two. This is a bit weird though. But we usually say like this: one, two, and turn. Um, okay, you can say that. You can say one, two, and turn if you want. Not not my choice, but okay, your choice. Um, okay, let's I guess put a pawn over here. The knight can capture this pawn. It's in the way one, two, and turn, so it can capture this pawn, right? Mm, let's say I add all of these pawns here, here, and here. So these are the squares. The pawns, all of the pawns, I mean, are on the squares that the knight controls. So just for a visualizing pattern, if you get confused, these are all the eight pawns, and you might notice that isn't this becoming like an octagon? Yep, it is an octagon. So you can say that the knight's uh, danger zone, you can say, are in are in the border of this octagon, not this, and this. Okay, all of these first. Okay, so in this position, it's black to move. Okay, so it like kind of attracts the knight like attracts the pieces to go in that direction or maybe in the danger direction, and then do that folk tactic. You will study in the later lessons. But let's say just that, sorry, let's say that the king castles. You see this knight? It can jump over here. It's one, two, turn. So this knight can jump over here, and you got this, the check and a fork. So after the king moves, you can happily capture the knight. Good riddance. Okay, for the next one, let's say, uh, wait, I am giving you a knight maze. I have given you knight maze. Feel free to solve it. You got that? No? Let me help you. This is one, two, and turn. It captures the pawn. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. One, two, and turn. Sorry, not this one. I mean one, two, and turn. Okay. So we'll capture this pawn. Okay. So this knight captures this pawn. Then this one, two, and turn. We capture this pawn. Then it's one, two, and turn. You can again capture this pawn. One, two, and turn. You can capture this pawn. Then one, two, turn. You can capture this pawn. One, two, turn. You can capture this pawn. One, two, turn. Sorry, one, two, turn. You can capture this pawn. And finally, for the last pawn, you can capture this pawn. And you have gobbled all of the pawns. Let's go back for a second. Um, there was also another option. Okay, there was also another option. You could have captured this pawn and you could have done all the other things, and then you could have copied that pawn. Okay, so you learned how the knight moves, you learned how it captures, you learned about, uh, by the way, one more thing is that the knight can jump. Okay, unlike other pieces, the knight can jump. So, for example, I say if I put my rook over here, it can go one, two, and turn, but it cannot capture the rook. Um, it it is not like a caterpillar who just eats everything along its way. No, the knight can go just one, two, and turn and jump above the rook. Or if you want to have a like a white rook, then you can go one, two, and turn, jump above the rook, own rook. So, so you've learned how the knight moves, you learned how it captures, you learned that it can jump. I've given you a free base puzzle, and we'll meet you soon on the next episode. Bye.